I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you a very interesting question based on circles, especially where we have a circle inscribed within a triangle. The question here is, in the figure, a triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle of radius 3. So here, if we take this as our center, then the radius is given to us as 3 centimeters, right? So the radius is 3. Such that the segment BD and DC are respectively of the length 6 centimeter and 9 centimeters. So B to D is 6 centimeters, right? All units are in centimeters, and this is 9 centimeters. If the area of the triangle is 54 centimeters square, then find the length of the side A to F. So let it be X. You need to find this value, X, in the current scenario. That's the question for you. You can pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. Now, to solve such a question, you could use the formula which we derived in one of our videos relating area with perimeter. Area of the triangle will be half radius times the perimeter. That can help you to immediately get the solution. However, I'll provide you with complete solution here so that you can understand how important it is to remember a few tricks to solve such questions, especially in competitive exams, very easily. To solve this question, what we are going to do is basically divide this triangle into 3 triangles by connecting each vertex with the center O. Right, so now we know that we have the area of the bigger triangle, which is ABC. So we know area of triangle ABC. So area of triangle ABC should be equal to area of triangle, 3 individual triangles, AOC plus area of triangle AOB plus area of triangle COB. Now area is half base into height, so area equals to half of base times height. So we are going to use this formula. Now for AOC, what is the base? Now to figure out that, we need to understand few properties, right? So let's look into those properties and then we'll continue. Now you can think that these two are tangents from external point C, and since they are tangents, these two sides should be equal. So CE should be equal to 9, right? Similarly, from B, we note that D and F are tangents, so these two sides should be equal. So BF should be equal to 6. Perfect. From A, AE and AF are tangents, and therefore this side here should also be X. Correct? So these sides are also equal. So that gives you all the sides of a triangle in one variable X. You see that part? So this is kind of very important to understand. So what we use here is that the tangent length of a segment which involves external point tangent, right, are equal. Good. So I'm writing in short, so that's recollect for you. How did we get it, right? So from C, both these tangents will be of equal length, right? These two are congruent triangles, and therefore they will be of 9 centimeter each. On this side, both will be 6 centimeter each, and from A, we have assumed the length to be X. Perfect. Now we can continue. So we know area of the bigger triangle is 54 centimeters square. So we'll write 54 here. And area of AOC will be AC, which is 9 plus x, right? So which is 9 plus x times the radius, which becomes the height, right? Times the radius. And half of that, right? Half base into height. So the radius and the tangent will always make 90 degrees. Correct? So we get the area as, for the next triangle, AOB will be AB, which is 6 plus x, right? So 6 plus x times r. And for this COB triangle, 9 plus 6 is 15, right? So we have 15r. So that becomes the equation in only one variable, which is x. R is equal to 3. We know that, 3, right? So I could now write this as 54 equals to half. We can take r equals to 3, right? So we'll take 3 as common, which is r. And inside the bracket, we get these terms, which is 9 plus x plus 6 plus x plus 15, right? We know r equals to 3. So I substitute 3 for r. Okay. Now, we could just multiply this. Now, this question could be without calculator also, times 2 over 3 equals to, let's add them. So 9 plus 16 is 15 plus 15, 30. So we get 30 plus 2x. Correct? So that is what we get. Now this is equal to, you could divide and simplify. 3 times 1 and 24 is 18. So you get 36, right? So that gives you that 36 minus 30 equals to 2x, correct? So when you simplify, you get 36 minus 30 equals to 2x, and from here you can say x is equal to 6 over 2, which is equal to 3, correct? So dividing, this is equal to 6. So dividing by 2, you get x equals to 3, right? So units are, of course, centimeters. So that is going to be the distance from A to F. So we get AF equals to 3 centimeters. Perfect. So that is how you can easily solve this question. Now from here, you also learn, it's a recap on our formula which we derived, and that is area of triangle ABC will be equal to half of perimeter times radius. So that is a very important formula which you could always use when we are working with a triangle and inscribed circle with given radius, right? So if you apply this formula, which we derived here effectively, you could easily answer any multiple choice question without wasting much time. So I hope that helps. Feel free to write your comment, share my videos, and if you like and subscribe to them, that'd be great. Thanks for watching and all the best.